Okay, we're in Malta, and this is a really strange video. It's probably the weirdest video I've ever done. I'm going to tell you what French polish is. French polish is not actually a substance. French polish is a method of applying a waxy polish. Because people think French polish is a polish, you will find, of course, you will find jars sold as French polish in England and elsewhere. But French polish is merely made of shellac. We'll go into shellac in a second. So as I say, shellac is the material which people use to do French polishing, and people call it French polish, but it's not really the right words. Everyone who's got antique furniture in the house, this colour, long case clock, chest of drawers, dining room table, set of chairs, desk, they all will be French polished if they're antiques. There are modern versions of French polish which are varnishes, but most people who've got antiques, 99% of people who've got antiques will have French polished items where the French polish technique was using shellac. Now, shellac is made of one of these. Shellac is made of cockroaches, I'm afraid. That is a cockroach from Malta. This is a French polished piece of furniture, and you'll notice the colour is the same. Okay. Technically, the shellac is made of the Lac beetle, so it's not Maltese cockroach or an English cockroach. The actual beetle they use, which is the same as a cockroach, is the Lac beetle. And the Lac beetle is where they get shellac from. And shellac is used for using in French polish. It was also used to make nail varnish. And 50 years ago, everyone who had nail varnish was wearing shellac made of cockroaches, the Lac beetle. And the Lac beetle is being, at the moment, it is an industrial product, and they have lac farms in the tropics in Thailand. And in a lac farm, the farmers will encourage the lac beetles to breed in the trees. And the lac beetles excrete a crystalline excretion which looks like a sort of greasy, waxy, clear, sugary excretion. And that's where they make their nests and breed and make baby lac beetles. So what the farmers do is they go into the lac farm and they scrape all the excretions off the tree. The lac beetles unfortunately get killed to make the shellac. Millions and millions of these insects get killed because they get all collected up with this shellac, raw shellac, and they boil up this stuff, all excretions. They boil up, and they boil up all the lac beetles, baby lac beetles, and what they then do is they pour off this stuff. This is shellac. You'll notice it's the same colour as the back of a cockroach and the same colour as the back of a lac beetle. This stuff is soluble with methylated spirits, not water, and you can have it diluted weak or strong. And when you come to put your French polish onto your furniture, this is liquefied shellac, and that is made of cockroaches, lac beetles. It has the most lovely smell, paradoxically. It smells of meths, and it has got a really appealing odour, rather surprisingly. So, if you don't like cockroaches or lac beetles or big creepy crawlies, and you have a big house full of lovely antiques, then you have a slight problem. Okay, thank you.